This is why you need mindful eating. Imagine transforming every meal into a journey of discovery, right at your dining table. Let's dive into your senses and explore how. Start by choosing your ingredients. Let's say a ripe red tomato, a crisp cucumber, and some fresh basil. Now, slice into that tomato. Hear the sound as the knife meets the chopping board? Feel the juice on your fingertips? That's the sound and touch of freshness. Now take a slice and put it in your mouth, but don't chew yet. Close your eyes. Feel the texture, the coolness. Smell the tangy sweetness. Now chew slowly. Experience the burst of flavor. This is mindful eating, engaging all your senses, turning each bite into a vivid sensory experience. Moving on, chop the cucumber. Notice the difference in texture compared to the tomato. It's crunchier, isn't it? Each ingredient in your kitchen has its own unique story, told through texture, color, and taste. Finally, sprinkle some fresh basil over your dish. The aroma should elevate the sensory bouquet on your plate. Every herb adds its whisper to the tale of your meal. As you eat, remember, mindful eating isn't just about tasting food, but about truly experiencing it. Take your time, feel each texture, and savor every moment. Call to action. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below with your mindful eating experiences and subscribe for more mindfulness practices. What will you discover in your next bite?